Hi there, guess what we're making today? We're making gumdrop cookies. And I like gumdrops, and I kept popping them in my mouth and I'd have to wash my hands. So I hope I got enough for the recipe. So let's get started. Everything will be in the description box below. You need a medium bowl and you need a large bowl, and I have everything measured out because it looks like it may be a little bit a long recipe, but let's get started and hopefully it'll come out good because I've never made them, but I love gumdrops. So we're gonna start with a medium bowl. We're gonna put the baking powder in, and that's 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to use the salt, which I use pink Himalayan salt, and that's 1/4 teaspoon. And we want 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So there's that right there. And now we are going to set that aside for just a few minutes, and we're going to get the big bowl out. Big Daddy. I think I need my light on. Hold on. There. I think I can see better. How about you? Okay, let's go. In a large bowl, it says we need butter. 1 cup of butter. Coming right up. I use butter for all my bacon needs. Okay, so here we go. And it needs to be softened. We need sugar, and we need 1.5 cups of sugar. And we're going to beat that until it's fluffy. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit in at a time. It's fluffing up good there. There we go. Everybody's having a good day. I am. Finally got some rest, so I feel really good and energized. Okay, so that's done. And then it says you want to beat an egg, 1 egg. Here we go. We're going to beat that right in. Just like that. And it says beat everything until it's fluffy, so I did. And then we're going to put the vanilla in, 1 teaspoon. Ah, we all know I like my Mexican vanilla. Oh, yum yum. Oh, it makes such a different taste. My son's over in Mexico now for the holiday, so I hope he brings me back some more. Okay. Got that. And next we're going to beat in, let's see, until it's fluffy. We got the vanilla. We're going to beat in the flour. 2.5 cups of flour. Going right in. And everything will be in the description box below. Here. And let's see here. It looks really good. We're going to beat in the egg. It's done. The sugar, and we're going to stir in gumdrops. We're going to stir in 3/4 cups of gumdrops. And I'll be right back because I've got someone at my door. Okay, now we're going to take 3/4 cups of gumdrops. And in the recipe, it didn't say to mix in the baking powder and the baking soda to the large bowl, so I did. And I'll put that in the instructions below. I don't know why they forgot to do that, but they did. So it says to stir it in, so I'm stirring it in just like this. And then we're gonna make 1-inch round balls with it, just like this. And then once we make the balls, we're gonna put a few gumdrops on top. Okay, 1-inch balls. I'm not gonna say they're all gonna be the perfect size, but okay. Shape it into 1-inch balls, place 2 inches apart. So like that. Make the balls try to make the balls the same size, but you could use a cookie scoop, but I'm not going to on this, not today. Because a lot of times I don't like handling the dough twice. There's nothing wrong with it, but why handle it twice when you gotta pat it up and you gotta flatten it down? Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 6 of them, and then I'm going to put them in the oven at 350 for 7 to 11 minutes. This is actually an easy recipe, especially if you get everything out the night before or the morning before and do it in the afternoon. That's what I did. I got everything out, then I had to go do errands. Then I came back. And guess what? We're giving a shout out today. Oh yes we are. Are we ready for the drum roll? Pa-da-pa! We are giving a shout out to Sandra's Homespun Live. She's got a lot of great stuff over there. A whole list of stuff. Pizza, bread, rolls, pies, cookies, you name it, she's got it. I love her. She's got a great personality. Go check her channel out. I'll leave the link below. And each week I will give somebody a shout out. And she happens to be the one this week to get it. So, Sandra, I hope you get a few more subs, a few more views. Good luck. I'll be announcing you for the week. And I will do that every week, so be looking because you don't know who it's going to be. It could be you. Who knows? I guess I did a few more than I anticipated. Hey, but you know what? That's okay. Because this channel, I do very little editing, and I just wing it. Okay, we got that done. So then we're going to take a fork, and it says, just flatten them down. So I am, just like I'd be making a peanut butter cookie. I'd flatten it down, just like this. And then it says you want to take some of these gumdrops. It says 3, and you want to put them on top. So that's what I'm doing. Putting 3 on top. Just like this. And then you want to top it off with like some white sand and sugar, or if you got green, but it says white. I'm following directions. Oh, this old Grammie don't always follow directions, because when she makes a recipe, if I don't like it, I take it and I tweak it up to what I like. Okay, sand and sugar. Hold on, we don't want to forget the sand and sugar. And I almost did. I don't like to keep you all waiting. This is what I use. I use sugar crystals. And I'll show you. They're a pretty good size. And it says just top it off. And that's what I'm going to do. So I will put 3 more on. This is what they look like. Don't they look pretty? And then I'll bring you back and show you the results. Okay, folks, they're all done, and they made 28 cookies. Some of them was a little smaller. Then at the end, I started making them a little bit bigger. I think they came out great, and of course, I had to try one, and they were really good. I'm going to package these up because these are going to be Christmas gifts, and they're going to be gifted out. And again, the shout out goes to Sandra's Homespun Life, and her link to her channel will be down below. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. Bye now.